Trying to get back here to where our birds are. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, glad I got another pair of shoes. This is one place our son was actually staying in when he was here. Oh, whoo. Y'all, I'm splashing around. They seem to be okay. Yeah, the duck is enjoying it. She's like, heck yeah, get to play. Yeah, the door's open to the dog pen. I opened the door. Yeah. It is. It is like a little creek running right through there. That stringer on that perch broke. Look at her. She's getting her a bath. Getting a nice shower. Okay, it really looks like the whole thing is leaning that way. So we're gonna have to rethink this. Get her. Does she loving that?